Dear students, let's solve few problem on boundary layer theory. Those are the few problems where the velocity profile is given in terms of boundary layer thickness and mainstream velocity. You have to find out displacement thickness, momentum thickness, and energy thickness. Those are the equation small u divided by capital U is equal to u by delta. Next one is small u divided by capital U is given by 3 by 2 y delta half y delta square y square delta square. U by small u by capital U 2 twice del y by delta 2 into y by delta cube and y by delta 4 to the power 4. Same you have to find out delta star theta and delta double star. Small u by capital U sine pi by 2 y delta, find out same. And this one small u by capital U twice y by delta and y by delta square. So let's try to solve this problem. So here, as you know, delta star is given by integration of 0 to delta 1 u capital U by del y. Now put the value of u small u by delta u in this equation. So this is the integration 0 to delta. If I put the value here, it will be 1 2 y by delta. Since it is minus, it will be plus y by delta square bracket close del y. After that, if you integrate, you will get this is y, this is 2, this is 2, this is y square by delta plus y cube by 3 delta square. This is 0 to delta. And if you put the value here, you will get delta square by delta plus delta cube 3 delta square. And after simplification, we will get delta by cube. So this is your displacement thickness. So let's come to energy thickness, momentum thickness. The theta is delta u small u by capital U 1 small u by capital U del u. So if you put the value here, if I put the value integration u by delta u means twice y by delta minus y square delta square. So this one again 1 minus 2 by y by delta. This is minus, so it will be plus y square delta square. It is close ultimately del y. So if you do the simplification, you will get integration of 0 by delta, and it will become 2 by y delta minus 4 by y square delta square plus 2 by y cube by delta cube minus y square delta square plus 2y cube delta cube minus y to the power 4 del to the power 4 bracket close del y. So after simplification you will get twice y by delta minus 5 y square delta square for this and this plus 4y cube by delta cube for this and this minus it was 4 what it was 4 delta 4 del y. And after integration you will get 2 by 2, this is square y square delta, 5 by 3 y cube delta square plus 4 by 4 y to the power 4 delta cube 1 by 5 y to the power 5 delta 4 and 0 to delta. And if you put the value here, finally you will get delta 5 by 3 delta plus delta 1 by 5 delta. And after simplification you will get 2 by, this is 2 by 15 delta. So this is the result. So let's find out energy thickness. Energy thickness, that is delta double star, which is equal to, by the definition, integration 0 to delta u small u capital U 1 plus small u square capital U square del y. Now you have to put the value of del small u by capital U in this equation. Integration 0 to delta, so it will be twice y by delta minus y square delta square. Now here 1 minus twice y by delta minus y square delta square whole square del y. After that, integration of 0 to delta twice y delta y square delta square. Now if you simplify that, it will become y 4y square by delta square plus y to the power 4 delta 4 minus 4 y cube delta cube del y, the whole. And if you simplify this one, if I simplify this one, it will become twice y by delta minus 8y cube by delta cube minus 2y5 by delta 5 plus 8y4 by delta 4 minus y square by delta square plus 4y to the power 4 by delta 4 plus y to the power 6 delta 6 minus 4y to the power 5 delta 5 del y. Again, if you combine the common terms, finally you will get 2 by y delta minus y square delta square minus 8 y cube delta cube plus 12y to the power 4 delta 4 minus 6y to the power 5 delta 5 plus y to the power 6 delta 6 del y. And if you integrate this equation, finally you will get 2 by 2 y square delta 1 by 3 y cube delta square 8 by 4 y4 by delta cube 12 by 5 y5 delta 4 6 by 6 y to the power 6 del to the power 5 plus 1 by 7 y to the power 7 delta to the power 6, and this is 0 to delta, and if you put the value here, and finally you will get the result 22105 delta. So this is your delta double star. So try to solve the problem which are given in the beginning. Thank you. Stay safe.